Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Thursday, the 27th of July. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened in yesterday's session. Starting off in Australia, we had annual inflation rate slowing unexpectedly in the second quarter as CPI came in at 0.2%. This caused the Aussie to dive down initially until was later affected by the FOMC statement, which I'll talk about in one moment. I think Aussie dollar just broke 80. I think we got as high as 80.10, 80.11. All right, from the UK, GDP came in pretty much on forecast and the news was well received by investors. The sterling was also affected, or the GBP USD was also affected by FOMC, which let's bring it up right now. From the US, we'll start off with the oil inventories at minus 7.2. Interest rates were left unchanged, and of course the statements, so pretty much all the action happened in the early hours of this morning, as the FOMC statement delivered was what was widely expected. One, interest rates were left unchanged. Two, they acknowledged that inflation is running low, below 2%. And three, they basically set the market up for reducing their asset purchase program for September. So all of this was really what was expected. The news was on track, good. So why did the US dollar tank? Well, clearly investors were wanting more, and they've jumped out of their trades, and as a consequence we've hit major highs: Aussie dollar, Kiwi and the euro, and also the US yen took a dive down as well. All right, so it is now time for our chart of the day. Very similar to yesterday's chart of the day is now not played out, so it didn't set up, so nothing happened there. So today I'm focusing the attention on Brent on daily. For those of you who don't know, Brent is an oil as well. It's the refined version. So if you have a look at the channel that I'm showing you right here, it's pretty set, so we need to wait for the current candle. We may perhaps get an inside candle on this chart, so let's see if we do. Add it to your hot list. This is our chart of the day. It's Brent on a daily time frame. Okay, let's have a look at what's happening in the session that's about to unfold. It's a bit light today. Pretty much all is coming at 10:30 tonight. From Canada we have GDP, and from the US we also have GDP numbers. So let's look out for that. That pretty much wraps up the session. As always, guys, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, I hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow on the Daily Call. Bye for now.